Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload the projects you've been working on to the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on profile at the top and then scroll down to the projects section and click on the add button on the right side. Enter the project title. Then enter project tag. Enter the name of the client. Select the status of the project, such as in progress or finished. Set the when you have started working on this project and when you've finished it. Enter details of the project. As you can see, you have up to 250 characters. You need to write minimum 50 characters, and after you are done, tap on the done button. Click on the enter project location to enter your location, and then select the project site, off or on site, and the nature of employment, full, part-time. Then select the team size, role description, and the skills that were used. So click on the save button if you are done with this information, and then your project will be added to this projects section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.